It's me again. What am I doing? I adjust the camera so you can actually see all the grease on my face. All the oily skin I have. Yeah, what I'm doing, I got another vise to show you. And basically, realized the camera was too far away. So I'm gonna, well, I moved it. And I'm going to show you the other vise. I bought two vises. And anyway, if you watched the last video, I went to Vermont, picked up a vise, and on my way there, I found two small ones. And I gotta see this shelf right here. Instead of collecting giant vises and making a whole wall of, a shelf that I need to hold 10,000 pounds and spending hundreds of bucks, I figured I'll just spend hundreds of bucks and buy little tiny vises. See how big they are? Look, see, there's one there. Wait, this way. See, there's a tiny one here, tiny one here. Anyway, never mind. Anyway, I'll show you this vise I bought. I'll tilt this down now. Plus, I can, like this, see. Turn this down on the bench here. I bought this one. Turn the light on. This is the Mercury Quality Service, made in USA. It's in actually quite nice condition, considering the jaws look like they took 1 or 2 pounces. It's very similar to the other one. And I'll show you the label here. It's pretty cool. I'm assuming this says patent 7. Shit, hold on. Here's this. 7/9/29. So what's that? 7 January, February, March, April, May, June, July 9th, 1929, I guess. If you look right on there, which is actually pretty cool. It's very similar to this style. It's got the, turn this way. So, look at this. This one's made in Japan, if you watched my other video. The only difference is I'm holding it wrong way. And again, wrong way. So yeah, this one's green. It's got very little rust on it. I'm sure it'll rust to pieces in here. Looks like there's mostly sawdust debris on it. I guess somebody had it in their workshop. This one's got like dings right inside here. But it's a cute little vise. Like I said, I think I paid like 8 or 10 bucks for it. Nothing spectacular. They look pretty easy to clean up. The only thing that would be hard to replace is that nice little logo. So I'm probably not even going to touch this one ever. I'll probably, before winter, go around and lube everything up so it still works. This one actually goes really smooth. There's a little, I don't know if I get just it. Yeah, there's a, looks like a saw mark right here. Little tiny saw mark there. It's really really precise, smooth. And this one, like this has got a, yeah, this one goes pretty good too. Pretty quick. But yeah, they're, I guess they're cute. Oh, this one has a little, I forgot to show you that one. See, there's a little, like, pipe grabby thing in there. You can see it inside. It's like one of those pipe vices. I guess you can grab tubes. This one doesn't have it. So I'm guessing this is really old. It's got the same style. See, screw holes in the front. This one's got screw holes in the front. So I'm guessing either it was made in America and copied off Japan, or it was made in America and then all of a sudden pawned off to Japan later on. You know, you get those standard things where basically you come up with a good design and everybody copies it because the patent expires. So yeah, that's it for that one. Like, subscribe, click all kinds of buttons, and stay tuned for more videos.